Could you get value from a free software platform that's going to allow you to start growing your recruitment business by helping you to track the companies and the contacts that you're pipelining in an attempt to bring on roles so that you can start making placements and generating revenue for your business? Because if so, then you should definitely take a look at the free forever platform that we're building at Giig to support solo recruiters and startup recruitment agencies by giving you a tool for completely free that you can use to start building your business. Because we understand that in the early days of starting up as a founder, especially in the recruitment space, money's going to be tight. And until you get those first couple of runs on the board, ultimately you're going to want to keep your costs as low as possible. So we're offering a free tool that has no trial period. There's no need to give us any credit card details. All you need to do to sign up is just provide us with an email, and then ultimately you're good to go. And in this video, I'm going to focus on the CRM pipeline that we've recently pushed up to the free forever version. So you can get your hands on this as part of the free forever version of our product. And what the CRM pipeline allows you to do is generate tickets of companies that you are prospecting, put them on a pipeline board, which is a drag and drop board, so that you can then get a visual of all the companies that you're prospecting, where they are in your pipeline board, so that you can then start to forecast when you're going to be getting opportunities and some of the revenue that you're going to start generating. So I'm going to show you how you utilize the CRM pipeline board that I mentioned. To initially find it, you come down to companies on the left-hand side and you choose the pipeline option. Now in here, you see you've got a little pipeline that's broken down into not set, expressed interest, meeting book, contracts, and terms agreed. And simply to utilize the pipeline, you just drag the tickets along from meeting booked all the way through to terms. And when you get to the terms agreed stage, you can open up the company card and you can actually put the percentage and the fee in there. And then what the system will do is when you add a job for this company and start sending candidates to those jobs, when you get to the interview pipeline stage, the system will automatically calculate the deal value for you based on the terms agreed that you've entered into the system. So it's quite a useful one to make sure that you update, because then the system is automatically going to generate you the fees that you're going to make if you start placing candidates with those companies. So the other way to move companies on the board is if you come in and you've got the company status of terms agreed, you can simply just change that to meeting booked. If I change that, it's going to move the card on there for you. So you can either drag them and drop them or change them in the card. And to add a company to this board, all you have to do is come to the create option at the top, click company, and then enter the company details. So once you've entered all the details of the company, you literally just hit the create button, and then it's opened up a company card for you. So it's created that company and moved the company status to not set. So automatically that company, if I refresh this page, should be found there. When you add contacts to the company, you'll see that the main contact will appear here. So you can see who the contact is that you should be targeting at that company. Obviously this one is blank for now. And then, yeah, you're good to go. You can then start dragging that down the process all the way through until you hopefully get